Ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance keradap thung mentah yak Enquiry Commission bantokit ikjersi haka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL haba ai por ru lai benai bakan IT yak kai phot. Kat kum gejing ong juu kan ka commission kan dei ka balaklie da unong bishar belasong thaj bat ki dekhot kin kenthop yak kan hon technical bat ki brio ki badon haka administration. Haba pa ni gejing tip gi babnia o menteri rangba ulong ba kamlong satya ka bade yu ban ai kini gejing tip aba kentu ban aba gejing penmla jong sarkar bani ojing shai yaki ik e baro. Nrei ulong pat ba gejing jiet ikini gi dekhot ka commission kadai ka balale ahlor ka nongrem ba ka commission kan dei ka menteri kamlat luoj. Kani ke jing tokit iki kam jersey apo ke MEECL kadai ke baladawa di ken hon baper kan thup iki sengsan pertai ke be trailang hapo ke sarkar MDA. Kani ke jing dawa kelami halor ke jing mi ke jing keno bagadon ke jing bam sap ke basur khai bah hapo ke MEECL ke jing peniat bam hok ik project bakan thup ya ke smart meter project ke scheme Saubhagya nalor ke jing tu boarding jogi karkhana ke jela ke balawan ra ke jing donong daki sparkler ya ke MEECL.
So that inquiry commission is already, the necessary instructions and orders have been given. So I presume that the orders should have been out, or they come out tonight or tomorrow morning for the formation of this commission. So it's been formed. I can't give the name because till the order doesn't come out, it will not be appropriate. But what I'm saying is that the members of this committee have been selected, and the order has been given to issue the necessary notification. I can only tell you this, that there were panel of names that were given for the judges, panel of names that were given for the technical teams, and panel of names that were given for the administrative member. Our basis of selection was to ensure that this is completely independent. So we have avoided people who had any kind of link with state government or Northeast, in terms of the power department or any other department. And we have avoided people who could have links to MECL or the power department, so that we would have a complete independent opinion. So that's the only thing I can say. But that was the yardstick we followed, because we felt that if we try to bring in people who have, worked in MECL in the past, or people who have worked in other departments, there could be some questioning whether this is truly independent in nature or not. So we tried our best to make it truly independent in nature.